PrepMaster Analytics provides powerful tools to create, assign, and monitor maintenance activities for machines, analytical instruments, and other system components. All maintenance activities are well organized in the maintenance module calendar and can easily be called up by the maintenance technician. Comprehensive sorting and filtering functions make it easy to find and select maintenance tasks. Of course, all functions are also accessible with mobile devices such as a tablet or cell phone. The operator just clicks on a service appointment to view all relevant details of the planned activity, modify the stored parameters, and complete or reschedule the task. In PrepMaster Analytics Task Assignment menu, maintenance tasks can be easily created, configured, planned, and allocated. Convenient database functions facilitate the management of tasks for individual components or entire machine groups.